Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about 30 networking concepts which helps for every developer or a DevOps engineer should know. So, so firstly, IP address. It's a unique address assigned to a device on a network. So developers should understand IPv4, IPv6, public IP, and private IP. And what is MAC address? It's a hardware level address used to identify network interfaces within a local network. And what is LAN, WAN, and MAN? So LAN connects to a device locally, MAN covers a city scale network, and WAN connects networks geographical areas. And what is network topologies? So network topologies are helpful to understand the structures and how devices communicate with each another. And we have star, bus, ring, mesh, and hybrid topologies. Coming to the network models and data flow. We have OSA model, which is having similar approach, application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. And we have TCP and UDP, and we have application, transport, internet, network access layers in the TCP by UDP. And we have packets and frames. So the application data is divided into segments, packets, and frames before being transmitted across the networks. And what is encapsulation and decapsulation? So each network layer adds headers while sending the data and removes when the data is received. We have encapsulation and decapsulation. And we have TCP. So it's a connection oriented protocol providing reliable, ordered, and error checked data delivery. We have UDP. It's a connection-less protocol optimized for speed, low latency, and commonly used gaming, streaming, and DNS protocols. And we have HTTP and HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol with security and without security. HTTP is no security without encryption, and we have port number 80, and it is less secure. And HTTP is 443, more secure, and which is encrypted at TLS. And we have DNS, it's nothing but domain name system, which converts human readable domain names into IP addresses. And whenever user hits example.com or google.com, they present to the DNS server returns the IP address, and browser connects to that particular IP address. And we have the router, so which is nothing but helps to connect different networks, forwards the packets towards the destination. And we have switch, which connects devices within local network and forwards frames which using MAC address. And we have default gateway, the network device, which is basically responsible for forwarding traffic from local network to external network. And we have route table, which is a table contains of network paths that helps routers and operating system decides where packets should be sent. And we have subnetting. It's nothing but dividing of a large network into smaller network for better performance and organizational security. And we have CADR, classless interdomain routing, so which represent IP addresses ranges, prefixes /18, /26, /16, /32, and based on that we will get the IP number of subnets. And we have NAT, which is network address translation, allows multiple private devices to access internet through a public IP address. And we have DHCP, which automatically designs IP address to the gateways, DNS servers, and other network configuration devices. And we have latency, the term, right? It is a term, the time required for data to travel between client to server. And what is bandwidth and throughput? So bandwidth represents the maximum network capacity, while throughput represents the actual amount of successful transferred data. And what is load balancing? It's nothing but distributing the load between the incoming track across multiple servers to improve the availability, scalability, and performance. We have CDN. It's nothing but content delivery network, capture net content from the geographically distributed servers to close users. And what is firewall? It's control incoming and outgoing network traffic to for the security rules. And we have VPN. So it's create an encrypted tunnel between devices and network over an untrusted network such as an internet. And what is proxy and reverse proxy? A proxy represents clients when accessing servers, while a server proxy sits in front of servers and manages incoming traffic. And what is TLS and SSL? A cryptographic protocols that provide encryption, authentication, data integrity for the network communication, right? So encryption is keeps data is confidential, authentication is nothing but verifying the identity, and integrity is nothing but ensures data is not altered. And we have ports and sockets. So ports uh, identify network services, while sockets represent the communication endpoint using IP address protocols and port numbers. We have important port numbers and protocols like SSH is 22, 80 is HTTPS, and 443 is HTTPS, sorry, and DNS is 53. And we have sockets. Sockets are endpoints that combine IP address, protocol, and port. And we have network and debugging tools. We have ping to test the communication between host, right, to the particular IP or a domain. And we have trace route or transet, which shows the packet paths take to reach the destination. We have NSLOOKUP, which is a dig, which is queries DNS to get the information of our IP address. We have curl, transfers data to from server to various protocols. We have netstat or SS, which displays the active connections, our listening ports, and net stats. And we have TCP UDP, it's basically TCP dump, which is basically captures and analyzes the packets in real time. We have Wireshark, which is a powerful GA for analyzing the network packets. So that's it, guys. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.